What's up, guys? Okay, today we're going to take a look at some things we've been doing inside academics this week. We've been doing combinations off of the knee through pass, how to go to a different counter and stop him from stopping me to do my knee through pass. Alright, so let's take a look. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start right here. I got my duck feet going, my knees are forward. I'm going to step in with my hand and my knee at the same time. I never want to enter my hand first. You're giving him the grip, also potentially walking yourself into a triangle. So I'm going to connect my knee and my elbow, and I'm going to step in at the same time. Right? Now I can grab his lapel, pull him towards me, and push right on his ribs. Okay? So all my weight now, the majority of it is actually on my hand because I want to slow down his shrimp. Okay? It's harder for him to move. I know he's going to frame me now. He's stopping me from doing my knee through pass, so I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to grab on the outside of his knee. Okay? So he has the Dela Riva hook right here. If I try to clear this by lifting my leg, he just follows me. Okay? It's very hard, and he's probably going to sweep me or off balance me, which he can connect to a counter now. Okay? So I'm going to use my hand, motorcycle grip downwards until my knee is just above his shin. Now watch the circle. I go over his shin. I turn my knee, circle. Now I can walk his leg to the other side where his guard is not. As soon as I get here, I walk, nice tight grip. My head slides down now and I'm in control. I touch my left knee next to his hip. Now I can let go of my left hand, swim his neck to block his arm from grabbing onto my bicep. Now I'm going to swim his neck, pull him towards me, and so he cannot shrimp. When he decides he's going to frame, I put my elbow right next to his hip and block him right here. Now I can apply the shoulder pressure, slide my left knee to his head, my right knee to his hip, and I'm going to block his hip on this side as well. Let's take a look a couple times now.